Alright guys, so we're going to be making these transparent boxes for the letter blocks that everyone's using for baby showers and other events. And I'm going to show you how quick and easy they are using Dollar Tree items. And the items that you're going to need is going to be the Dollar Tree poster board, foam board, and their clear wrap paper. How simple is that? So we're going to go ahead and get started. Of course, you know you're going to need your lovely measuring, whatever ruler, whatever you decide to use. And we're going to make these 12 inches. So we're going to make these blocks 12 inches. So we're going to make our marks 12 inches to make our blocks. So as you can see, I'm just marking at the 12-inch mark. And then we're going to go on the other side and do the exact same thing. Very simple, very easy. So now I'm going to begin making my cuts at those marks that I have created. And you will begin to see the squares that I have created by making those 12-inch marks. So you will have a 12-inch square. Now each box is going to take 2 foam boards. If you would like to have a top and a bottom, then you're going to use 3 foam boards for each box. But I am only making an open box because I will be stacking them on top of each other. But you can do this any way that you like. So now we're going to mark for the middle. And what I've used is I have started 2 inches from the top on each side. So I will be doing 2 inches all the way around. And again, guys, this is your box. You can make it however wide, however large you would like it to be. This is just what I've done. So it's totally up to you what you would like to do. So again, I'm making my mark 2 inches from the top, and I will make that mark all the way around the box. So we've made our marks, and now we're just going to cut out the inside of our square piece here to give us the opening that we need so that we can cover it with our clear cellophane wrapping paper, or clear transparent paper. Like I said, very simple, very easy. Once you start these, you can just ease right through it. And there it is. It's just a frame, and we're going to use that to make our transparent boxes. So we're going to use that as a template for the rest of them. Okay, now we have our frames cut out, and what we're going to do is start adding our transparent paper, our clear transparent wrapping paper. It's very easy. All we're going to do is take this out of the wrapper. That's probably the hardest part about this, is getting the wrapper off. And then what we're going to do is lay it on our frame to see where we're going to do our cuts. I want to thank all of our new subscribers and all of our subscribers. Thank you so much for watching. Now again, I'm going to just eyeball this. I'm going to lay it there. And then I'm going to cut. I want to make sure that I have enough even on all sides and all corners so that I can glue this down. Now that we have our pieces cut, we're going to just lay it on the frame. And we're going to begin gluing this down. And the way I do that is I start from one corner and then I go to the opposite corner, pulling it ever so gently so that it's a little bit tight. We don't want to make it too tight. but we want to make it a little bit tight. And you don't have to use a whole lot of glue, just a little dab. And I'm going to do this in each corner. And there you have it, guys. So very easy, so very quick. And you don't have to use a lot of effort to make these. Now I'm going to be gluing all sides together and our box will be complete. Thank you all so much for watching. I had so much fun making these. I think they are so nice, so gorgeous. I have also made these using picture frames from Dollar Tree, but these are so much nicer, so much sleeker, and I don't have to worry about getting cut. So thank you again for watching. We ask that you will continue to be a part of the Royale Classy Creations family. Please share with your friends, subscribe, and hit that little bell so that you notice when we upload a new video. Thank you again. Be Royale, be classy, and be creative.